Alright guys, we are here again. I am at my dad's house. Got the motor behind me. Today's deal is going to be trying to take out the transmission. So let's see if we can get that done today. I also bought this cool little neck rig so that I can get some good action shots and first person view of what we're doing. So let's see how it works out. So it looks like my dad already jumped ahead and pulled off the driver's side CV axle, and he pulled out the strut. Well, not the whole strut, just the bolts. So this thing's gonna pop off as soon as I take it out. But that's one less thing we have to do to get the transmission out. The last thing it looks like we need to do, and he got stuck, is he didn't have the proper bolt. It is an 18 millimeter, which I'm not sure why he couldn't get this one out, but he got the other one out. He just ran to Lowe's to go get a new set of sockets. But once we get this axle out, we should be able to just start getting the transmission out. I'll get some shots of that as soon as he gets back with those tools. For now, what we can do is disconnect the rest of this crap in here for the transmission. So what I'm going to do now is pull off the ground wires, and I'm going to use my set of sockets to try to get it out. Set these up here. The ground wire that I'm trying to get out, whoops, don't know what that bolt's to, is this one right here. The bolt is right here somewhere. So we have a 12 millimeter to get this bolt out, straight down there. So that ground is now disconnected. We're good? Alright, so I'm pretty sure that everything here is out that we need to get this transmission out. Looks like we have a leak right here from a hose, but this hose, once it's disconnected, I'm pretty sure it's going to be good. I'm not sure what fluid is leaking out of here though. Most likely the tranny fluid, but here we are. This hose keeps getting in the way. Close that back up. It looks like this is connected to the top of the transmission. So we're good on that end, I think. Yeah, everything else disconnected. Starter disconnected. Hose is disconnected. Oh, I think we need to take out the linkage. I think that'd be the last thing. Once that's done, we should be good. I'm recording to document all the stuff we're doing. Make some videos on it. I found a transmission. It's 500. Idaho. No. 4.5 hours away. Boise. Oh, he lives in Boise? Oh. What happened? It's the 18.
No, it's the 17, but
you don't have an extension. I don't have a socket extension for that. Is that one gonna work?
Yep.
Yep. We didn't have to take off the caliper in that to get that axle off?
No.
You already got it off, huh? The bolt?
This, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you remember the other day when I was like, hey, what's that round thing? This right here? That?
Flywheel?
No, this.
Crank thing?
It's for the, no, this. It's for the axle.
Oh, that goes in the
Yeah, we need to put that on. Good thing we didn't throw it away. You got the cotter pin out and everything? Do we need to turn the wheel at all? Or did the other one come out just like that?
This one has a clip. Middle, I think.
Oh, good thing we're replacing that axle because it's all messed up.
Let me see, where's my bar?
Bar. Breaker bar?
No.
Push it out.
Yep.
You might need to take that control arm off. The other one just popped out, huh? I saw you took it out already.
Yeah.
Push it all the way up, the whole thing.
This?
Yeah. Oh, that's okay. We're gonna have to replace.
This has a clip in there.
Oh, you know what? It might have two bolts to pull it.
They're there. Let's see. I can.
That's not. Stop. That's not the right one.
It's okay, I can cut it.
Check this one.
14.
Yeah, definitely. Fabian, hold the strut on the other side. Nice. Let me see it. I wonder if this is OEM. It's ugly. All right, there goes the CV. Now we can pull the transmission. So we have two of the bolts out that we need. Just putting a tire under there just in case we get crushed. But we got to get these last few bolts out to drop the transmission.
What bolts?
All right, so we have all the bolts out of the transmission. Now we just need to pop it so that it'll fall down. I have a jack supporting it right now. We're gonna see how we can drop it out. Drop it, it should fall straight out. There it goes. Pull it. Pull the jack backwards. There you go. Drop it. I don't see what's holding it. Pull it backwards. There you go. Now it's out.
Which one?
Drop it. There you go. Let it fall. Let it fall. Perfect. All right, that was it. We got the transmission out. That's one of the hardest parts right there. Thing only weighs like 100 pounds, so we should be able to just slide it around. We might need to lift the car up more to pull it. Slide it this way there.
Oh, the oil.
Huh?
The oil.
So just pull it out this way, see if it comes out. Nice. It came out in one good piece too, so if we need to sell it, we can. Oh, that was it, guys. One of the hardest parts done. Look, there's all the flywheel and the clutch and everything. With the 3.0 timing. I wonder why they didn't come out with everything else. Huh? We did it. Alright guys, that was it for the day. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to get that transmission out, but it finally got out. As you can see, I am full of oil, full of grease. I am ready to go home, shower. In about 2 weeks, we're gonna pull the motor, and then I will start stripping everything out of that old motor and put the new parts that I need, and we'll get it done slowly but surely. Thanks for watching the video. I will catch you guys on the next one. See you later.